Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the workbook and immediately save a backup so you can revert if needed. Once done, switch to Page Layout or Page Break Preview to locate the watermark visually. Next, go to Insert, then Header and Footer to enter the header editing mode. This is where Excel often embeds a picture watermark. You need to identify whether the watermark is in the header, footer, a background image, or a printed header element before removing it. You now remove the watermark from the header or footer. Click inside the header/footer area to reveal header and footer tools. Once the box is active, look for an image placeholder or the AND picture code and delete that element. This removes a picture-based watermark. Make sure to inspect different first page and different odd and even options because watermarks can be set only on specific pages. After deleting, click outside the header area and preview the sheet to confirm the watermark is gone. Finally, if the watermark persists, it may be a worksheet background or a floating image. You should go to Page Layout and choose Delete Background to clear a sheet background image. Once done, use Print Preview to verify the watermark is removed from printed output as well as screen view. If you still see it, press Ctrl+G, select Objects, and delete any remaining shapes or images. This catches picture objects placed behind cells. Troubleshooting tip: if removal fails, revert to your backup and repeat steps while checking each page type.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.